In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Drive to share files. Okay, so this process is pretty straightforward and simple. So the first thing you want to do is probably upload your file that you want to share. So to do that, click at the top left where it says new, and then you simply just click on file upload, or either upload a whole entire folder. I already have something uploaded, but you would just select file upload there, then select it from your computer and then upload it. Once you have the file uploaded into your Google Drive, let's just say it's this untitled spreadsheet I want to share, simply just right click onto it, and then you can see here it says share. If I click on share, what you can do is add people and groups, so you can enter in someone's email address there and share it with them like that, or you could simply just get the link. But you need to change a setting if you want to send the link. You want to click here where it says change to anyone with the link. So if I click on that, now anyone with this link, if I copy this link, anyone with this link right here will be able to view the document or the file. And you can change the permissions of that. You can change it from viewer, commenter, or editor. I just leave it on viewer typically, and then you just have to share this link right here with the person. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.